Guess what kind of cookies I'm making today? Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be making M&M cookies. It's one of my son Caleb's favorite cookies. So if you like recipes and content like this, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. I need 1 cup of Crisco, a shortening of your choice, but I swear by Crisco. I need a cup of packed brown sugar. I'm using light brown. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and we want to cream that really well. Now we want to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring, 2 eggs, and we want to let that mix really well also. These cookies are so good. Down the bowl. And we want to add our dry ingredients, which is 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And now we just want to slowly incorporate this. All right, that didn't take long. And now we want to mix in 1 1/2 cups of plain M&Ms. Now we just drop them by a spoonful. And I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And now we just want to top each with 2 or 3 M&Ms. And I'm going to put these and I'm going to check them after about 9 minutes. And I'll see you then. And here they are. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. So until next time, bye y'all.